Alright guys, welcome to Choose Your Own Path. So today, it is Sunday, still on holidays, gotta love it, gotta love it. So what we're going to be doing today is a buddy of mine brought me over a trophy that they made years back. We're going to fix it up, we're going to take everything off, we're going to shine everything up, we're going to redo this, take all the little stickers off because he's got more to add, and then we may have to do some of these stickers for new ones, but we're not sure if he wants to get a punch or if we're going to try to inscribe him ourselves. Not only that, this shop is clean. It took me 3 hours, but I actually have room. Also, I wanted to show you guys is something. Now, I know it's always noisy in here. You guys know it's always noisy in here. And I did something different. I went and built a box. Well, all I did was I put a piece of plywood here and one on the inside for my shop vac. Now, that's a lot quieter than what it was. That's going to be better for carving. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to set ourselves up here. You're number one. I went and painted it, but I'm going to put some blue in there because that's not our colors. And I gave him fingernails. So, let's set up here. All we're going to do is do our trusty tripod. Alright. So if you hear a lot of big noises, they're taking down this building back there. It's about time, it's like 400 years old. So, we'll cut that out. And then, yeah. So let's start off by taking this apart. Horseshoe first. Then we're going to take off, I'm making a video here, so we're going to, okay, so we took off the trophy and the little hockey guys. Now we're just going to pop these guys off. They're just on there with a sort of a glue. Whoop. Don't lose them. So we got everything off. You can see it's broken. So we're going to do our best. What we're just going to do is we're going to just try to sand it down evenly. I think so. So we'll get my jaw horse out. Alright guys, so what we did was we got rid of that god ugly gold color that was like this. The trophy goes on top of this, so you won't see that part. So we got rid of that, and we're going to stain the next color. But first what we're going to do is, because this is a pretty large crack, I don't think it'll crack anymore. We're going to add some wood filler to it. We're just going to make it a lot more solid than what it was. So just get our little wood filler out, and we're just going to fill. We're going to hide those gaps. We've got a big crack here. Try to get it in there too. We'll leave it kind of bumpy so that it could dry, and then we're just going to sand all that off. So pretty simple, pretty fast. Just a little easy little fix on that. Then the back has a hell of a crack on it, so I want to fix that too. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some all the way through here. Try to get it in the crack as far as I can. This way it just doesn't look like it's a... Like these are my buddies, my best friends did this, and they just... I guess they were a little bit drunk. Maybe smoked a little bit too much. And they just went at it. Maybe they didn't do a bad job. It's just... I wasn't around to help him at the time, and he asked me if I could fix it for him, and I said I will. So that's what we're going to do, is we're just going to let this set. Probably a good, hour or two. We'll let it to set well. Then we'll come back and sand it. But what we're going to do is we're going to leave it out in the sun. So this way it dries even faster, right? So we're going to just put that like that. Like I said, you can put this stuff on a little bit thick, a little bit over than what it is. And then when it sands, you can sand it down nice and smooth. And it gets rid of all those marks. You see, we sanded this piece down. This was an issue. We're not going to add anything to it. We're just going to leave it as is. Alright, so I'm going to go set this outside in the sun. So yeah, there's a little project to do. The next thing we want to do is he wants to do something with this horseshoe. Now, it's made out of steel. So I'm thinking we're going to have to take a brush to it, try to get it cleaned up. So I'll get that organized. Alright guys, for today's video we're going to be using the Dremel, and I think it's the 400 or 4001 XPR. I got this borrowed or lent to me from my nephew. So we got some sort of little brush on here. Today we're going to put our googles on. I don't want that in my eye. And we're going to see if we could just sort of polish this out somehow. Without the vacuum on. Let's see what goes on. Off whatever was on here for many, many moons. Alright, so this is the 4000 or 400, I think. It's, I'll give you a look at it. It's not a newer model. It's an older model. This is the first time I'm using the Dremel. I'm on the Dremel Studio Maker Guide. Sorry. And this is part of a video for YouTube and for them. So that it enters me into a contest, which is great because I've never won anything, and I'd love to get one of these for myself. So again, this is lent to me, and we are gonna give it our best review. Right now, it's working great. Like, I have the Fordham right beside it. What I'd like to get is, if I do get another one, or if I get one, I'd like to get one that I could have. I don't know if they have ones that attach the foot pedals to them or whatever, and then a stand or something to hook it up, because this one doesn't have anything here as far as I know to hook it, so I kind of just wrap the wire around it. I don't know if that's any good, but anyway, it's gonna work. So let's keep on going at this. I'm gonna get see if I have any black paint. If not, off to the store we go. Alright, guys, no black spray paint, but that's okay. We're gonna cheat it. We're gonna just use our dollar store paint. We're gonna use black, then we're gonna hit it with this. It's an indoor project. It's always going to be indoors. It's never going to be outside. So we're not going to worry about it. And they won't know, right? So all we're going to do is we're just going to paint it black, right? Simple as that. Our next step will be to polish the cup. Actually, what we do is we're going to I have some Mother's polish. This stuff works great. I used to, well, I'm in my spare time, I make coin rings and spoon rings. I don't know if you guys know that. You do now. And I use that quite a bit to polish up my rings. I mean, this is a spoon ring here. Everybody can see that. Not this one, that's my wedding ring. That's a spoon ring. And polishes up really nice. Very beautiful thing. It's good, easy stuff to use, we'll say. You know, that's so I hope everybody's having a great weekend, because I know I am. You know, it's just the way it is. Not at the cabin this weekend, unfortunately, because my wife started her new job, and we're going to be going out during the weeks, I guess during the day. We'll figure it out. You know, sad, but it's the way it is, and it's just for now. We're gonna play it by ear. I mean, who doesn't like to go to the beach and to the cabins and stuff like that, right, guys? I mean, it's what we live for at our age, is to get out there and just enjoy. Love my cabin. Love being out there. It's quiet. I get some R&R. I actually sleep when I'm at the cabin. Well, I could sleep anywhere. I could sleep on a rock, but it's painted black. We're just gonna set it. Where are we gonna set it? We're gonna set it. We do have a hook here somewhere. We had a hook here. Let me just set that down. Trying to get to it, and that will dry. All right. We'll set our paint aside. Dirty hands. A little bit of Fantastic and water. Wipe it down. Right. So this guy here, you can see it's dusty, it's dull, it's got fingerprints on it. These guys might have drank out of it, they might have peed in it. I don't know. I don't know. I don't care. So these are jeweler sheets. This is just for buffing. And this one here is actually for using the shine, so it's kind of white. It's very used because I used it a lot. You put a good glop on it, and just I'll show you the right thing. And all we're gonna do is sort of give it a wash. These are buffing discs, okay? So you just kind of tighten it on there. Make sure you don't touch the tip with it. Put it on whatever tool you're going to use. We're going to go back to this guy. So you want to use the Dremel. This Dremel has an easy, I guess it's called an easy clasp, I think, or something like that. I'm not sure. It's it's almost like what you'd find on a drill press. So you could just twist it with your hands, put it to whatever size you want, and just give it a hand turn. It's on there. Alright? So what we want to do is we'll keep the mothers out because we could use it again. We're just going to lay our cloth down like so. Add a little bit of the paste to our actual piece. Just going to buff it out. Take out all the dirt parts, I guess, if you want. Like, look at the shine on that. For what it started off to this, it's really, really good. This stuff works really well. It's an auto body product, I guess, or found in the auto store. So it's Mother's Mag of Aluminum Polish. I'm assuming it's made for silver too. That's what we used it for mostly. Alright guys, like that is shiny all the way around. There's a couple of dark spots. I don't know what the hell that is, but I can't get that out. I think you'll be quite happy with that. I know I am. So, we're just going to finish off because my battery's dying. I put another coat on the back side. Where are you? Here. It's dried, ready to go. I'll just spray it. I'll recharge my phone. Phone sucks. Gotta do what you gotta do. We'll be right back.